name is Steve Bradshaw from Rhino Plant Trailers, and I'm here to introduce you to our standard range of Rhino digger plant trailers. We do have a pro range, and I'll cover that off and the differences in another video. But today I want to introduce you to the flat floor standard digger plant trailer and the Beavertail standard digger plant trailer, commonly used by people such as plant hire companies, civil engineers, tarmacking companies and utility contractors, public utilities themselves, and they're primarily designed for transporting machinery such as mini diggers, rollers, dumpers and so on around for people who move on the job. In all our digger plant trailers we have two main sizes. We have the one I have in front of me here, which is 2.8 metres long internally by 1.3 metres wide internally, or we have a 3.1 metre by 1.7 metre. The standard 2813, as we call it, 2.8 by 1.3 version, comes as standard in 2.7 tonne gross vehicle weight capacity with a payload of around 2.1 tonnes. And we also have the 3.5 tonne version, which is our 3.1 by 1.7 metre trailer as standard. They come in two ranges. You have standard, and next to me the Beavertail trailer. The main differences between the two is that on the standard trailer you have the flat floor, and on the Beavertail it's flat for, you might say, 80% of the floor, and then the back section slopes away, and what that does is create an extension to the ramp. So it's exceptionally good for transporting low ground clearance machines such as scissor lifts, and also things that aren't great on slopes such as rollers. You'll see here quite a big difference in the length of the ramp as well. So on the flat floor trailer the standard ramp is 1400, whereas on the Beavertail it's only 1200. That 1200 ramp means that you've got less drag travelling along, so it's more fuel efficient for you as well. Other than that, these standard trailers come with an extended drawbar on the front, primarily for the digger arm to stick over the back and or over the front and not hit the back of the vehicle. You get your bucket rest, your bucket lip to tuck your bucket into. You've got your phenolic birch ply resin floor. You have 8 tie down points, 4 down each side, which are recessed into the bed of the trailer. You've got your LED marker lights, which are dual voltage 12-24. You have your little hop up step, which is just here, which enables you to get into the trailer, the machine, the digger, whatever it is you're getting onto. You've got your heavy duty fabricated mud guards with your anti-slip surface on top. As standard comes with your 165 R13 wheel and tyres with a 5-stud wheel, and standard Knot bearing, unitised brakes and bearings. I just wanted to point out a key feature of the Rhino digger plant trailer, and that is the rear tailgate. Rear tailgate has been designed for hard use. So many ramps we come across look like bananas before they're too old. So we set out to ensure that we had a strong, robust ramp tailgate. As you can see, it's got a very heavy duty ramp fastener, which is held in with an additional secondary locking device. We've got the rear support stands, which support the rear of the trailer whilst you're loading, and the beauty of that is that when you raise the ramp they're out of the way, when you lower it they're where you need it. Underneath here we've got our gas struts, which are tucked nicely out the way, so they can't get damaged or broken very easily. Each set of ramps always has a handle on the side to help you raise and lower it, and comes with your number plate clips and your number plate light on the side, and a second position for European market.